go.
We
Right,
heard
okay,
that point
right.
of like,
Shh.
what?
Question 1. The complex number 3 plus ai, where a is real, is denoted by z. Given that the argument of z is just 6 to pi, find the value of a, and hence find the magnitude of z, the modulus of z, and the complex conjugate of z minus 3, z star minus 3. So, right. Okay. Well, what we've got from this is that we're told that the argument of z is pi by 6. That means there's the argument of z, let's put it alpha. Here's a right angled triangle that I've just drawn. This is z, this number, so that's that length there is the magnitude of z. The modulus of z, sorry. We've got z is a complex number, then this bit here, the real bit, would be 3. This bit over here, a, is the imaginary part. And that, from this first bit, we've managed to interpret that, where we also know that alpha is pi by 6. So that's where we are, basically. That's what we know about what's going on here. That's just taking what was in the question and coming up with some diagram to do with it. So looking at this, well, there's the opposite and the adjacent. The tangent of pi by 6 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So A is just 3 tan pi by 6. We make sure our calculator is in the right mode. Tan of pi by 6, tan of 30 degrees is root 3 over 3. Times it by 3, we get A is root 3 out of that, and that's quite a neat first bit of the question. So what we've now got is that Z is, well actually we could do this in a couple of ways, couldn't we? Z, we now know this A is root 3, so Z is 3 plus root 3i. And back to our triangle, we could work out the modulus of it just by using our triangle. That is the square root of 3 squared plus root 3 squared. Which, well, that's 9 plus 3, so that's root 12. And another way of writing root 12 is 2 root 3. So we get that. That was quite nice. Find the value of A and hence find that. And, right, the conjugate minus 3. So if Z equals 3 plus root 3i, that is 3 minus root 3i, complex conjugate of Z. And so, that minus 3 is 3 minus root 3i, take away 3, which is just minus root 3i, and there is our final answer. That's great. Just stop the video, quick.
Wow.